Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel Dream of Crafts. My name's Deanna and today I want to do a walkthrough of a video tutorial I'm going to do for you for a Christmas mini album for Christmas in July. The one I'm going to show you today was created with Kaisercraft 6.5-inch paper pad Christmas wishes and also the Kaisercraft Christmas wishes sticker sheet. And as you can see, I have less than a half a sheet of stickers left and just very few pieces of scraps and just a couple of tags and stuff that are left in here and I might add them, but I don't necessarily need to at this point. But that is what I have left of that whole thing. And in the video, I am going to, sorry, my paper keeps falling. I'm going to use the Kaisercraft 6.5-inch paper pad Yuletide, excuse me, and also the Yuletide sticker sheet that coordinates with that paper pack. Excuse me, please. So on the cover, the book is 7 inches by 7 inches, and the spine is approximately 2 inches. I've created some poinsettia flowers with one of my die cuts, and I will show you in the video how to do those. And I get the 7-inch, use the 6.5-inch so I don't have to cut down my papers, and then I use pieces to fill in. Like you can see, I fussy cut the Santa out of the corner and used a piece to coordinate with that from another page. So used one of the tags with a brad and the stickers from the sticker sheet. On the spine is just regular cardstock and a sticker here, and I've used glitter ribbon for my spine edges, and the back is just another 6.5 by 6.5-inch sheet with a sticker and then an additional piece to make up the difference for the 7 inches. On the inside here we have a full page layout, 6.5 by 6.5 inches with a decorative sticker on the bottom. Here on our first page we have a ribbon, and this is also a belly band. We've got room for photos here, photos there, and then another photo here. And this does accommodate your full photos. Some of these areas in this book, they're all designed for the regular standard photos, but you may have to trim it down just slightly for some to accommodate for the stickers or embellishments that are there. But you typically, in most photos we take, there is areas that we can trim down and not have to worry about compromising the photo. But this book is designed in mind with using your full photos as close as possible. And that is a lousy bow, but we're just going to move on for it. And inside here there's a tag, and the inside's just plain. And each page has its own pocket for a tag. Now these are just the 6.5 by 6-inch sheets I've got in here. I may add heavier cardstock to the back so they slide in a little better, but I think once you got your photos on, you'd be fine. On the second page here we have just a pocket and a couple tags, and our next one is magnetized. And it's a very short waterfall because you don't have a lot of room to have a full waterfall. But these also will accommodate your full pictures. And then there's the stickers on there. And then these are, you might have to trim down just a little bit your picture to accommodate that, but it's not too bad. And this is also flips open and is magnetized. You get a full photo here. You have a full page layout here, and another one of the tags that I've made into a little flip for journaling, or you could add a little photo on there too, like do a photo here and then maybe a blow-up photo of someone's face or expression on your little tag here, and then of course another full sheet for your thing. And on this next page, this flips open. This flips open and is a pocket with a couple tags in it. And then this full page layout here also flips open to give you 2 more available full spaces for photos. Our next page contains another tag, and then a little flip on this one. And then this whole thing flips up and flips up. So you have 1, 2, 3 available picture areas there. Put that back in. And of course our tag. Our next page layout is like a belt. Now you can this magnetized and not have to worry about that if you don't like that. You got area for, this is actually holds full photos, but it is actually a 4-page pullout. So you can get 4 pictures going both ways. And then you also have a full area here when it's open. Here, I'll show you. So when it's open, you have this full page area here. So I just love the colors in this, these teals. On this page here, you have a tag, and then this flips up, and you have another little tag flip there for journaling or small photo. And of course, our tag pull out. On the last page, we have a pocket. This will hold your tickets to any events that you might attend, or say you go sledding or I mean on a sleigh ride, any tickets for things that you do, events you do that you want to keep, or any other memorabilia you might have that will fit in there. You also have a full page layout here and another area for another photo here. And your back page will also accommodate a nice size photo. And that is it. It's a very nice little album, and it's page layouts, so I'm looking forward to doing that with you. And until the next time, hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.